Guys, what's going on? I hadn't did a video in a while, so I figured I'd do something. Just give you a little update. What I'm doing. Haven't really messed with my car too much over the last 3 or 4 weeks, but I'll show you kind of where I'm at today. I got my fuel injectors put in. My leak was coming out of this front injector at the top. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like a little dent in it across there. I think it was twisted up when it went in. Like I said, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm pretty sure that's what happened. Eventually it just blew out. Here's my fan. Don't look too good a shape, but there's my new one. I'm gonna put back in it. This is my old crank trigger sensor. As you can see, it got a little hot. Get ready to wire it up. Got a new one that I'm gonna put in. Then I gotta get me some plug wires and another belt. Start cleaning it up. Here's my old harness. Got pretty hot, but I got my other one already fixed up. Get ready to put it back on here just in a few minutes. Like I said, I did get some wires for it. Got a little hot, a lot dirty, but she's coming along. All right, guys, I fast forward a little bit. Got some of this work done. Still not completely done with it. I'll show you a little bit what I got going on though. Got pretty much all back together. As you can see, I got my new fans in. Got my new wires. I still got to tie them up, get them all tied up away from the headers. Got my intake on. It definitely needs a clean job. About got everything put back together. I still got to put my crank sensor wire together. I've got a new one here. I've got to take it to the guy that tuned my car. He's going to do that for me tomorrow. I tried to take it apart and tried to figure out match the wires back up. It's just such a mess. There's no saving it. But I can show you a little bit what happened. Here's the back of my fans. You see they got hot. Of course, I got new ones. I got me an alternator. I didn't like the way that right there looked. Looks like it swelled up. And I was afraid to put it in there and it not work or something. And then here's my wiring harness. Got it pretty good. My distributor, cap, plugs, my belt. I don't know how it just broke in half like that, but it did. But anyway, that's just a little bit of what I've been going through for the past week, putting this thing back together. But I'm gonna hopefully get this thing running tomorrow. Today's Thursday. Hopefully get it running tomorrow and get back out and doing some burnouts and stuff. But I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're down at Wilmington, Carolina Dyno. My car all fixed up, hopefully. There's a couple of Mustangs. This one's 1,000 horsepower. His name's Elvis. Don't know anything about this one, but kind of sharp looking. Get around here and see where my little setup is. All right, here we go. Got her on there. I think he's doing some wiring. And, be out here shortly. Hey guys, what's going on? Just want to give you a little update on my car and my situation. As you know, I told you guys I was going to get it wired up. My dyno guy yesterday. Today's Saturday. Here's what I had to get rewired. As you can tell, this is the crank sensor. Goes down by the crank. But this is what we did. Put all that in new, run it down to the new sensor trigger down there. Got all that wire back up, and determined it still wouldn't start, and the problem was box shorted out. I guess when the wires burnt, they touched each other and it shorted the box off. So I got to get that sent back out, get it fixed, and hopefully get it back up and running. Hopefully I can get it back by end of next week or something. I don't know how long it takes them to reset one of them things, but I have determined I'm going to buy me a winch. I got this car up on my trailer the other night. Had my come along out with a strap, trying to get it out of the garage. And I actually used this basketball go to help me get it on there. So I'm definitely going to go get me a winch one of these days, hopefully soon. And I ain't taking this thing back off until it's running. I know that for a fact. Anyway, guys, y'all take it easy. Like and subscribe. And I'm gonna call this probably part 1, because it'll probably be next week sometime before I can get another video out about it. But anyway, you guys like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time.